That steal of a deal on the water might actually be an anchor dragging your finances to the bottom. Shiny gel coat and glossy finishes can hide serious problems. Structural rot, saturated transoms, or worn out mechanical systems that turn a bargain into a total liability. Today, I'm showing you the top 5 hidden boat issues that most buyers completely miss, so you never get stuck with a money pit. Whether you're shopping for a pontoon, center console, or deck boat, these mistakes can cost thousands of dollars and months of frustration. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for and how to spot a problem before it sinks your budget. I'm Ben Link, and welcome to Off the Dock University. It's tempting to overlook because it's hidden under vinyl, gel coat, or carpet, but a soft, waterlogged transom can ruin a boat fast. Signs to watch for: sagging in the engine mount area, soft spots when you press with your hands, discoloration or mold on the inside hull. A professional inspection can save you from a catastrophic failure, which may lead to thousands in repairs. That shiny exterior? It's not the full story. Many boats have hidden fiberglass cracks or repairs under a glossy finish. Small cracks can lead to serious structural issues after a season on the water. Look for spiderweb cracks around fittings. Press gently on suspected areas. Soft spots can indicate delamination. Check the gel coat near high stress points like rails, corners, and bow. Next up, the engine, steering, and electrical systems. Even if the boat looks perfect, you can still find corroded wiring or battery terminals, engines that overheat or leak, steering that's stiff or inconsistent. These are expensive and sometimes dangerous issues if missed before purchase. Don't skip the underside. Check for blisters in the hull, scrapes or gouges that could weaken the structure, signs of improper hauling or groundings. Remember, a little cosmetic damage may be harmless, but hidden damage can compromise safety and resale value. Finally, the maintenance records. A neglected boat may run for now, but hidden repairs are likely waiting. Look for gaps in service records, missing oil change, impeller, or filter history, evidence of water intrusion or leaks that were patched instead of properly fixed. A well-documented history is the best predictor of trouble-free ownership. If you like this video and want to see more boating-related content, be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you on the water.